increase the ability of your card to be seen by increasing its worth. Hey there, and welcome to another CardPointers FAQ. Today we're going to answer the question, why aren't my card recommendations appearing in the right order? And you can follow along over here on your screen. So once you're in the app, following along here with me, I'm going to walk alongside you with this. You want to go up to the upper left corner and click the little wheel. That will open up your settings. And when you scroll down, you can get to the frequently asked questions section. And when you click on that, you will see a number of different questions. The one we're answering today, why aren't my card recommendations appearing in the right order, is where we're going to go. So you can click on that. That will drop down a little section. It says here, cards are sorted based on the point multiplier, point value for each card, then in the order in which you have sorted the cards in the My Cards view. You can customize the point value of any of your cards by tapping on the card, then Customize Card, and use the plus/minus stepper to increase or decrease the point value based on your valuation. Note that you can tap on the label to enter a value via keyboard. So now that we read that, what does that mean? The best way to do this and understand this is to click back, click Done, and we'll find your cards. Let's find a card. I'm going to choose Chase Sapphire Reserve. Let's click on that. When you scroll down, you will see Customize Card highlighted here. So click on that. That'll open up your Customize Card section. As you're there, you can see that you can change the card color. You can change a couple of different settings. What we're interested in here is the category bonus down at the bottom. So you want to click on that. Takes you to the custom section. And at the top, you can see point value. Can you see that there? So if you click on that, you can increase it and you can decrease it. This will increase the ability of your card to be seen by increasing its worth. And you can manually do that. And then it should be saved. So let's go back one. Let's click on the category bonus again. And it's still $2.25 per point value. So you can adjust that if you know that you want that card to be seen. All right, so now let's go back to that question. Now that we've seen it, let's go all the way back as we click Save. Now that we're back at the home screen, click on that wheel again, or you can just follow along with me. We can click on Frequently Asked Questions. Why aren't my card recommendations appearing in the right order? So again, let's just read this one more time. Cards are stored based on the point multiplier, the point value. We just clicked on the point value and we were able to increase it or decrease it for each card. Then in the order in which you have sorted the cards in the My Cards view, you can customize the point value of any of your cards by tapping on the card, then Customize Card, and use the plus or minus stepper, which we did, to increase or decrease the point value based on your valuation. So now let's look at the Points tab to see where that points value adjustment is being reflected. So on your phone, go to the Points tab, down to the Pointers. It's at the bottom left. It's a little light bulb. And as you can see here, because we've increased the Chase point value, all of Chase shows up for every opportunity, because it outweighs, except for one, almost every single one. And then the ones where it doesn't outweigh it, in this case, Bank of America shows up. So you can see that. Let's go all the way back and change that point value so that you can see exactly what's happening. So we're going to go back into Chase, go down to Customize Card, go down to Category Bonus. So right now I set it to 2. To change it, let's go all the way down to less than 1 to see what happens. So now pressing the back arrow, back one more time. We're going to hit the save button. Let's go back into the pointers tab at the bottom left. And as you can see, there are some changes here. Because we've decreased that point value in categories where the point value is highest, such as Bank of America here shows up now more frequently because in that particular instance, the point value is higher in those categories. And that's where it's reflected. So one more time, let's go all the way back to Chase, Customize Card, Category Bonus. Let's put that back to 2. So I know that the point value right now is 2. I know that is what is carried. So let's leave it to 2 cents. And we'll go back one more time. Let's go back again, hit save, go to pointers, and you see it right there before your eyes. You could see it adjust and change. So now we're back to Chase having a higher point value. So this is described to me in a different way. So let me point that out. The multiplier is how a card is ranked for a specific purchase. You can adjust the point value and the category bonus for each card. And those two multiplied together is how a card is ranked above another for a specific purchase. So that's what the app is doing for you. And you manipulate that by adjusting the point value. So now we've answered the question, why are my card recommendations appearing in the right order? This will give you a chance to manually adjust it to make them show in the order that you want. Thanks for choosing CardPointers, and happy travels.